to weather. Chevy Chevalier.
6:53 on this wonderful Wednesday, and the clouds are clearing up a bit. We had some darker clouds earlier, but you see in the back, you got the low clouds, but you see these little wispy high cirrus clouds. So they're still there, and they should be there for the next couple of days for those nice sunrises and sunsets. Oh, Tropical Storm Howard. This is your tropical update, of course. It becomes a tropical depression tomorrow, and it really is no threat. Really, no really impact. Maybe a little bit to the swell, but no impact from Howard. There's another one going to probably form within the next few days, 50% chance. So that would be, we're on I already for Eastern Pacific. 23 mile per hour. These are sustained winds, the east-northeast, 16 for Kahului. So Kahului saw 40 mile an hour gusts yesterday, mid to upper 30s for Honolulu. Similar numbers today, rain showers, very isolated, as we saw yesterday. We do have weather alerts, so this area is in reddish pink here. Fire weather warning, or a red flag warning that goes till 6 p.m. What does that mean? We got high enough winds and dry conditions to where a fire would spread really quickly. So you got to be careful about fires if you have to do it or whatever. Be on top of that. Wind advisory is until 10 p.m. and then we have the pink is the small craft advisory. So your next 7 days. So there's the chance. I mean, a small chance for some showers for Big Island Maui. That low is really not close enough to give us, but maybe a little bit of moisture for them. Hopefully. Isolated showers, key, very isolated for Saturday on the windward side because that's where the air show is going to be. Looking good for Saturday and Sunday. They need to have at least 1,500 feet of ceiling or the cloud deck, and the visibility is no problem. So it looks okay. And then we'll get back to straight trade wind weather next week. More on all this a little bit later. Now the surf forecast with Gary. Good morning, Gary.
Hey, good morning, Chevy. Well, the North Shore is still flat to 1. Paddle, dive, fish, and sail. Out at Makaha, it's flat to 1, but we'll see some 2-footers later on the higher tide. There's a new south swell, and it's 1 to 2 in town. Be patient for the sets, though, I'll tell you. And Diamond Head's a blustery 2 to 3 feet, torn up thanks to these trades. They're already blowing 15 to 30 there from Diamond Head out to Sandy's. Sandy's solid 3 feet, Makapu'u solid 3 feet, and we're expecting some 4-footers through tomorrow. Small craft, wind advisories from Lanai to the Big Island, yep, for the next 2 days. Extreme tides due to the full moon tomorrow. A minus 0.3 low tide at 8 a.m. Huge 2.7 high tide at 3:30 today. Sun will set a minute earlier, 7:04, and rise at 6:08.